925, welcome back. There's a growing concern about pertussis or whooping cough cases among children across the Commonwealth, something we're certainly keeping an eye on. And here to tell us a little bit more about what to look out for is Dr. Vinitha Moopen from WellSpan Family and Pediatric Medicine at Rossville. Now, good morning. Thank you for being here.
Sure.
I know even behind the scenes we were talking about this. For those who may not know, what causes whooping cough?
So it's caused by a bacteria. It's called Bordetella pertussis, and pertussis is another name for whooping cough. Yeah.
Right, and I mean, something that you've probably been seeing a lot. Have you seen any local outbreaks?
So there was an alert sent out by the Department of Health that there is a spike in pertussis cases in kids in high school. So we are looking out for that, and we did have a positive case. So yes, it's high on our list right now.
Okay, gotcha. And what are the types of signs and symptoms that parents and kids should be looking out for?
So for older kids, it starts out with like cold symptoms, cough, and then the second phase is where the cough gets really bad, and then they cough and sometimes end up in vomiting, or they have that characteristic whoop at the end of a coughing spell. But babies present as, it's kind of scary, is more of not being able to breathe and turning blue.
Right, and that's such a scary thing for parents.
Yes.
And speaking of RSV too, we were just talking about that.
Yes, we did have a pretty significant increase over the past couple of weeks during the holidays, so that was kind of tough as well, but thankfully that's kind of leveling out a little bit right now.
Perfect. And for parents that maybe need a little advice on how to keep their kids safe, what would you tell them?
So, for the youngest ones that are most in danger, it's definitely vaccinations. Pregnant women and dads are recommended to get the vaccine. Grandparents will be taking care of babies. And then just the normal childhood vaccines will protect you against pertussis.
Right, so important.
Yes.
And something to definitely keep in mind. Now, if your child needs to be seen by a doctor at WellSpan, we have much more information on how to make an appointment on our website. Dr. Moopen, thank you so much, as always, for joining us.
No
we
problem.
really appreciate that important information, and we know our viewers do too.